Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing an update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. We have a couple new models in today's video, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and start off here at the cargo section, where we have this FedEx Boeing 757-200. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Harrisburg in Pennsylvania today. Next up here we have this DHL Boeing 757-200. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Hartford in Connecticut. And last but not least, here we have this Atlas Air Boeing 767-300. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Ramstein in Germany. Next up here, moving over to the Spirit gates, here we have this Spirit Airbus A321neo. This aircraft has arrived in from Fort Lauderdale in Florida and it's going to be heading out to San Diego in California. We then have this Spirit Airbus A321. This aircraft has arrived in from Houston in Texas and it's going to be heading out to Orlando in Florida. And last but not least here for Spirits, we have this Airbus A320. It's arrived in from Las Vegas in Nevada and it's going to be heading out to Atlanta in Georgia. Next here with Delta, we have this Delta Airbus A321. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Minneapolis in Minnesota. And then we have this Delta Connection Embraer E175. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Boston in Massachusetts. We haven't, I believe, had this aircraft in a Baltimore update yet, so it's pretty cool to see this in a Baltimore update. Then next up here, moving over to United, here we have this United Airbus A320. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Chicago O'Hare in Illinois. And then moving around, we have this Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Tampa in Florida. And following that, we have this American Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is of course going to be heading out to Dallas-Fort Worth in Texas. So we have a pretty hectic international section today, and because of that, some of these Southwest gates have been taken over by other international carriers. So because of that, this Southwest Boeing 737 MAX 8 in the Hawaiian livery is just here waiting for a gate. This aircraft looks absolutely stunning in this livery, but it's arrived in from Sarasota in Florida, just waiting for a gate, and then it's going to be heading back out to Orlando in Florida. But first off here with the international carriers, here we have this Condor Airbus A330-900. This is of course going to be heading out to Frankfurt in Germany. It's amazing to see this aircraft back because it adds so much color to these Baltimore updates. But then next here we have this Copa Airlines Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Panama City in Panama. And then almost ready for pushback, this is the gate that the Hawaiian Southwest aircraft will be heading into. But here we have this Play Airbus A321neo. This aircraft is just about to push back for a flight out to Keflavik in Iceland. We then have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Maryland 1 color scheme. This aircraft has arrived in from Fort Lauderdale in Florida and is going to be heading out to Louisville in Kentucky. We then have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8. This aircraft has arrived in from Nashville in Tennessee and is going to be heading out to Miami in Florida. We then have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800. This aircraft has arrived in from Windsor Locks in Connecticut and is going to be heading out to Providence in Rhode Island. And last but not least for today's updates, we have this Southwest Boeing 737-800 in the Illinois 1 color scheme. This aircraft has arrived in from Cleveland in Ohio and is going to be heading out to Las Vegas in Nevada. I hope you enjoyed today's video of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport, and you guys are going to want to stick around for the next Baltimore update because I have something very special in store for you. But without giving too much away, I want to thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.